Hello students of class 5. Today in this video I'm going to show you one practical work from lesson number 4. So you have to go to open page number 39 in your book and you'll find there a lab activity given there. There are actually 3 lab activities, very simple one. So these activities I am going to show in this video. So you have to carefully watch the video as you are not doing the practical class in the school. So you have to watch and understand the video again and again. You watch the video. Okay. So let us begin. Windows 7 live activity practical class. So this is the first activity here given here. Here it is said that Samir has created a folder on called games on the desktop. So as you can see here, there is a folder on the desktop. Here, the games it is called here. Now, after he created the folder, his father has told him to move the folder to drive D. It have to be moved to drive D. His father told him to do so. So you have to help Samir to move the folder to that location. So it will be moved. It will be moved from desktop to drive D. So these are the steps. First of all, you have to right click, then on the on the folder, then it's select copy, and then you have to paste it to the location of D drive. Okay, so let us first begin. So first of all, you select the folder by just single clicking on the desktop. So it has been selected. Now right click on the folder, so you'll get a context menu, so with various options. So you have to select the proper option. So as we are moving the folder, so you have to click on cut option, not copy. Copy will create a duplicate, so you click on cut. Then you have to select the location where you have to paste it. So I open computer window, so I select for example D drive, and in the D drive I am just clicking on the white area, so many white area. Just right click over here and then you'll get a context menu. So right click in the white area, you'll get a context menu and you'll get the option called paste. So the folder games has been moved from here. Now it is not here in the desktop. Okay, so this completes the first one. Next is another condition is question is given here. Aditi created a presentation on annual day. So on annual day, she has created a presentation, but unfortunately somehow accidentally it got deleted. So you have to help Aditi to bring back her files. So these are the steps which I'm going to show you practically. So for that, you have to go to the uh, recycle bin, because whatever accidentally gets deleted, it is stored in the recycle bin. So you have to double click and open recycle bin. So as you can see here, this is the annual day. It has got deleted from the location. This is the location it was. So what you have to do, you have to just click on that particular file and then select this option from the toolbar, or you can right click over here and click on restore option. Okay, so click on restore option from the context menu. You right click over the file and click on restore. So as you can see, the file got restored from the recycle bin. So it is now gone to the actual place. It is not there here. So let us see it is there in the actual place or not. So click on D drive. So you'll get here, suppose in it is in class 5. So here it is. Here is the folder. It came back here. Okay. So this solves the second lab activity. Okay. Next is the last one, to change desktop theme of the desktop. So what you have to do to change the theme of the desktop, you have to right click in the blank area of the desktop. So let us do. So this is the blank area, nothing is there, only picture is there, wallpaper. So you right click here. So anywhere you can right click. Okay, not on the icons. You have to right click on the desktop blank area, and from there from the context menu you select personalize. So personalized window is selected. Now there are so many themes are there. You can see these are themes. Okay, basic themes is also there. So you click on a particular theme and that theme will be applied. So background, you can see the theme has changed. You have to click on this one, so the theme is again changed. So this way you can change the theme. Okay, so this solves the last activity of the live activity section. Okay, so do watch the video again and again to understand the practical work better. Very simple, 3 activities. Thank you.